Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today, as well, I am here to give you something new. So, today, here comes a new chapter that is The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. My dear students, as far as the title of the story is concerned, that is basically referred to a little girl named Kezia. So, now let us understand what the story is about. The title of the story refers to the main character that we will come across, the little girl named Kezia. As just now I have told you, the main character of the story that is a little girl named Kezia. एक मेन कैरेक्टर है इस स्टोरी के अंदर दैट इज़ अ लिटिल गर्ल नेम्ड केजिया जिसका नाम केजिया है. एक छोटी लड़की की कहानी है. The theme of the story is the relationship between children and their parents, and the writer Catherine Mansfield wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. So, my dear students, let us know about the theme of the story. This is basically a relationship between the children and the parents. Children are very much curious, they are very much eager to share their own thoughts with parents. They love to share it. But somehow the parents do not get ready to understand that. So let us understand the theme of the story, how it moves on. About the story, the little girl, Kezia always considered her father figure to be scared of. She used to be greatly relieved when her father left for work after kissing her goodbye. एक छोटी लड़की की कहानी. वो हमेशा अपने फादर को हमेशा वो डरती थी हमेशा अपने फादर से. शी वॉज ऑलवेज अफ्रेड ऑफ हर फादर. वो उन्हें एक ऐसी फिगर समझती थी. वेन एवर ही केम इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर, शी मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम got afraid, got scared by seeing his face in front of her. And she used to feel relaxed. She used to feel very comfortable when her father left for work. She felt free that time. The noise of the carriage getting fainter and fainter pleased her. जैसे ही उसके फादर घर से निकलते थे और जिससे वो जाया करते थे उसकी जो आवाज़ धीमे 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 कम हो जाया करती थी, तो इस चीज़ से उससे बड़ी खुशी मिला करती थी. सपोज he used to go by car, so the sound produced by a car getting fainter. So this was something that pleased Kezia कि उसके फादर जा चुके हैं. She stood near the staircase when her father returned home in the evening. When it was evening, when her father used to come back to home, so she was in the habit of standing near the staircase. Mother used to ask her to come down and take off her father's boot. केजिया की मदर उसे नीचे आने के लिए हमेशा इंसिस्ट करती थी. She most of time insists Kezia to get down the stairs and just take off her father's boot. और कहती थी कि जो फादर के जो बूट है उनको तुम टेक ऑफ करो, मतलब उनके बूट्स को निकालो. By the time she would slowly slip down the stairs, और ऐसा सुनकर, after listening to this, without wasting time, she used to come down and walk even more slowly across the hall and push open the drawing room door. और जिस स्पीड से वो आया करती थी, the speed she used to follow, she made it like slower, and somehow she reaches the drawing room, and her father had his spectacles on and looked at her in a way that terrified her. So as soon as she reaches her father, that very time her father wore his spectacles and started looking at her in a very terrified way. And this was how she was afraid. Means the way father looked at Kezia, consequently she got feared, she got afraid by the look of her father. The Little Girl is the story of a little girl who misunderstood her father's strictness and usually remained scared of him. She kept a distance from him whenever he would be at home. She considered him to be a big giant. She would often get nervous and stutter while talking to him. She longed for his love and affection like her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald. लिटिल गर्ल एक ऐसी कहानी है जो एक लड़की केजिया हमेशा अपने फादर की जो स्ट्रिक्टनेस थी उसको हमेशा गलत समझा करती थी, और दिस वॉज द रीज़न, यही वजह थी ज़्यादातर वो उनसे डरती थी और उनसे दूर रहने की कोशिश किया करती थी. वो अपने फादर को एक मतलब लाइक डेविल शी कंसीडर्ड हिम, और जब भी फादर उसके सामने आया करते थे वो नर्वस हो जाया करती थी, यहाँ तक कि लाइक शी ममर्ड वाइल टॉकिंग टू हिम. तो वो थोड़ी सी परेशान हो जाया करती थी. स्टटर का मतलब एक तरीके से रुक रुक के, मीन्स लाइक शी यूज्ड टू स्पीक बाय टेकिंग पॉज. वो हमेशा अपने फादर के एक फादर का जो लव होता अपनी बेटी के लिए, उसके लिए तरसती थी कि उसके फादर उसे प्यार से बुलाएंगे, उससे प्यार से बात करेंगे. और ये चीज़ उसने अपने पड़ोस में एक मैकडोनाल्ड फैमिली थी, वेयर फादर यूज्ड टू लव हिज चिल्ड्रन. Once she was kept indoors as she was affected by cold. Her grandmother suggested that she make a gift for her father's birthday next week. They decided Kezia would make a pin cuisine for him. Kezia made a beautiful pin cuisine, but she accidentally made a mistake. She filled it with the bits of paper that she got by tearing her father's important speech. She was punished for that. That incident, father estranged Kezia from her father. एक बार क्या हुआ कि उसको कोल्ड हो गया केजिया को. अब उसकी जो दादी माँ थी उसने सजेस्ट किया कि तुम एक काम करो, यू जस्ट प्रिपेयर समथिंग फॉर योर फादर्स बर्थडे, कि नेक्स्ट वीक योर फादर्स बर्थडे इज़ अप्रोचिंग, राइट, यू मस्ट प्रिपेयर समथिंग फॉर योर फादर. तो केजिया ने डिसाइड किया, केजिया डिसाइडेड दैट शी वुड मेक अ पिन cuisine. सो आफ्टर द completion ऑफ दैट, आफ्टर मेकिंग दैट, उसने क्या काम किया, देयर हैड बीन सम इम्पोर्टेंट पेपर्स. शी tore all the papers and stuffed into the pincushion and closed all the directions of that, all sides of that. And somehow, after some time, when father came to know that she has done something like this, so she was punished by her father. और इस चीज़ को लेके केजिया और भी डरने लगे अपने फादर से. I hope you understand, my dear students. She would often look at her neighbors, the McDonalds, playing joyously in their lawn. Mr. McDonald was such a good father and played so lovingly with his children. She wondered he might be different sort of father. तो केजिया अपने पड़ोस में एक मैकडोनाल्ड फैमिली थी जहाँ पर फादर अपने बच्चों के साथ खेला करते थे, राइट. और मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड के बारे में सोचती थी वो कि कितने अच्छे फादर अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलते हैं. और वो एकदम सरप्राइज्ड हो जाया करती थी कि जो मैकडोनाल्ड है वो कितने अलग है, मतलब सभी फादर एक जैसे नहीं होते. Once her mother fell ill and was hospitalized. She was left alone at home under the care of cook. At night, she had a nightmare and woke up screaming. She found her father standing by her beside. He picked her up and took her to the room. He tucked her up in his bed and soon fell asleep. Kezia felt secure lying near her father. She realized that her father was not as big as a giant. She felt that beating of her father. Father's loving large heart. Finally, she realized that her father was very loving and biased and has a generous heart. So what happened in the last of the story? केजिया की मदर बीमार हो जाती है. शी इज़ हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड. उसको हॉस्पिटलाइज किया जाता है. केजिया अब घर पर अकेली है विद कुक. देयर हैड बीन अ कुक ऑल्सो. अब इट वॉज नाइट व्हेन शी हैड अ नाइटमेयर. अब केजिया को एक बहुत डरावना सपना आता है. शी गॉट टेरिफाइड. थोड़ी देर बाद उसके फादर वहाँ पर आ जाते हैं. आफ्टर सम टाइम father arrived there and he took her to his room and tried to make her happy. Even he succeeded in making her happy. And in the last of the story, finally she came to know, she understood that her father also is not as big as a giant, right? He also had a very generous heart. So my dear students, this was all about the story Little Girl Kezia. I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.